Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta.
I'm Naveen.
And welcome to A Desi Abroad. We are back again with yet another authentic Hyderabadi dish, Mirchi Ka Salan. This goes really well with any biryani, fried rice, or roti. So let's begin. Soak 50 grams of tamarind in warm water for 20 minutes. Extract the juice and set aside. Dry roast 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds on low heat. When the seeds begin to splutter, add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Dry roast for another 30 seconds and grind to a thick paste. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add large slit chilies and saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Set the chilies aside. In the same oil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Add the paste of 1 medium-sized onion and saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Add 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and salt to taste. Cook on medium heat until the oil separates. Add the coconut and sesame seed paste and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add the tamarind juice and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cover and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes until the oil starts separating. When you see that the oil has separated, add chilies and cook on low heat for another 12 minutes. The delicious Hyderabadi Mirchi Ka Salan is ready to be enjoyed. This is a perfect combination with any biryani. Do check out our biryani recipe video. The link is attached at the end of this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to A Desi Abroad. See you soon in our next video with yet another exciting recipe.